how we can make a pillow. We start with a cube in Blender, scale it, and subdivide it 30 times. We also add a single loop cut vertically. We need many vertices to make it soft, so we apply Shade Smooth. In the Physics Properties panel, we add the Cloth Simulator and choose the Silk preset. Next, we go to the Collision section, which detects fabric collisions, and increase the quality to 4, also enabling self-collisions. In the Force Field settings, we disable gravity. Then create a new force field and set the strength to 150. Now, we start the simulation by pressing play, and our pillow inflates. Once satisfied with the shape, we select the pillow and apply the cloth modifier to make the simulation permanent. Then we add a subdivision surface, subsurf, modifier to increase the detail. Next, we add a piping to our pillow. Finally, we apply a bevel modifier to refine the edges. And there it is, our fully modeled pillow.